So here's a fun thought experiment. What if you went planet hopping across the solar system without asking if your body could handle it? Spoiler, it can't. Every planet is basically a different episode of 1,000 Ways to Die, but directed by the universe. So yeah, let's take a tour. Here's how you would die on every planet. Number 1. Mercury, the universe's broken thermostat. Mercury is like that apartment where the heater and the AC both broke at the same time. Daytime, you're cooked alive at 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Nighttime, you're a popsicle at -300 degrees Fahrenheit. And Mercury doesn't have an atmosphere, which means it can't hold heat, block radiation, or give you air. It's just you, the sun, and the awkward realization that your sunscreen doesn't go up to surface of hell. Also, a Mercury day lasts about 6 Earth months. So if you're on the sunny side, congratulations, you're in the oven until Christmas. Number 2. Venus, Earth's evil twin. Venus looks friendly. Same size, same gravity. Cute little yellow glow. But up close, it's like moving in with your ex who's actively trying to kill you. The clouds, pure sulfuric acid. That'll melt your lungs before you even land. The pressure, 92 times Earth's. That's like being crushed under the ocean, except instead of water, it's hot poison gas. And the temperature, 900 Fahrenheit, hotter than Mercury. Even though Venus is farther from the sun. That's right, Venus is so full of hate, it outheats Mercury. Even light barely makes it down there. Only about 10% of sunlight reaches the surface. So imagine choking, burning, melting, and being crushed inside a dimly lit gas chamber. Number 3. Mars. False Hope Red Dust Edition. Everyone loves Mars, the most habitable planet. The future home of humanity. Yeah, if humanity enjoys suffocating slowly while being sandblasted at 60 miles per hour by dust storms, Mars can hit a nice 68 degrees Fahrenheit at the equator. Perfect weather. Then it drops to -200 Fahrenheit at night. Mars' atmosphere is 1% as thick as Earth's, almost entirely carbon dioxide. So when you take off your helmet, to breathe Mars air, your last words will be, wow, that was dumb. Oh, and the radiation? 40 times Earth's background levels. So even if you do survive, congratulations. You just gave yourself space cancer. Number 4. Jupiter, the infinite skydive into nowhere. Jupiter isn't a planet you land on. It's a planet you fall into, forever. You'd parachute through ammonia clouds while winds scream at 300 miles per hour. Then you hit a layer of liquid that isn't gas, isn't liquid, just supercritical fluid, basically nightmare soup. Then comes metallic hydrogen. Imagine swimming in liquid metal that conducts electricity better than anything on Earth. And way, way deeper, temperatures hotter than the sun's surface. You don't get crushed here. You just dissolve into something unrecognizable. Number 5. Saturn. Pretty rings, ugly death. Saturn looks soft, gentle, even friendly. It's not. First, you dodge its 146 moons and giant ice rings, which are basically flying razor blades. Then comes the wind, 1,100 miles per hour. Hurricane speeds that never stop. If you keep going down, pressure cranks up until your body is a sad little smear. But hey, at least Saturn gives you a nice view before killing you. Its auroras glow red and purple, like a romantic nightlight for your funeral. Number 6. Uranus, death by glamour. Uranus spins sideways, already weird. It's also colder than your high school crush's texts. -370 Fahrenheit. And the atmosphere, hydrogen, helium, and methane, which means your last words will be, wow, smells like farts. But the real killer, diamond rain. Yeah, the pressure literally turns carbon into falling diamonds. Sounds glamorous, until you realize you're being shredded by Tiffany's jewelry catalog. Number 7. Neptune, the supersonic meat grinder. Neptune is basically Uranus, but meaner. It's 30 times farther from the sun than Earth. So dark, so cold, so lonely. The winds, 1,500 miles per hour, faster than the speed of sound. So if you parachute in, you don't just get blown over, you get turned into shredded paper. And yeah, it rains diamonds here too. But honestly, by the time the diamonds arrive, you've already been erased by the air itself. Number 8. Bonus. Pluto, the cold shoulder. Not technically a planet, but let's throw it in. Pluto is basically deep space's version of Antarctica. The sun is just a tiny star in the distance. Temperatures are -400 degrees Fahrenheit. There's no air, no warmth, no chance. You wouldn't go out with a bang here. You'd just quietly fade, like Pluto did when we stopped calling it a planet. So yeah, every planet is just a creative way for the universe to kill you. Mercury will cook and freeze you. Venus will crush and melt you. Mars will give you false hope, then cancer. Jupiter and Saturn will blenderize you. Uranus and Neptune will jewel stab and wind shred you. And Pluto just ignores you. The solar system isn't a playground. It's a graveyard with creative writing skills. So maybe Earth isn't so bad, at least here. The only thing crushing you is student loans.